When you're trying to come up with concepts for your YouTube videos, a good idea to start and a good place to start is doing some brainstorming. So coming up with some ideas and then connecting those ideas to additional topics and similar type words. It's always good practice to create a starter list of words that you can commonly use to describe your video. So any words that are relevant to your video and that match common habits that users might place within search for that video. Oftentimes what you can do is you can actually connect ideas that you have. So let's say you have one word, you can connect it to another word to grow your base of different basic ideas that you have for your keyword brainstorming. Also some questions that you could ask yourself. And these questions would definitely help you come up with your base of keywords. So just ask yourself when you're thinking of your video, what would you type to find that video? So you can also look at additional videos and think of what you're typing to find those videos. And that's a good way to kind of start out and create those brainstorming base keywords. It's always important to remember to write all of this stuff down. Another question that you can ask yourself is what words would summarize your video? So not only what you'd be finding in your video, so if you had to say a sentence or a set of words that would summarize the content of your video, what would they be? And then once you've got a few words down already, you can think of what words are similar. So you can go to some thesauruses and just look at additional words that match with the wording that you already do have. And if you were to be asked, what would you create, what's one sentence that would best describe your video, that could be a more longer term keyword phrase that you could use within your brainstorming. And this is probably it. So maybe if you could come up with 5 to 10 base words and maybe one phrase to kind of get started with the brainstorming, this will give you a good enough base to use all the different tools and resources we're going over with later in order to create your awesome keyword lists that are going to be able to rank your videos even higher.